So it's been a while that I never start this one for a long time. It's just kept inside my house without any gas, and everything is all dry. And now let's see if this one is still start. I already charged the battery, so it's full charge. There's a lot of people, they said the servo is a little slow, but I can deal with it. So you can see it still move alright. It's like a very basic stock servo, but it works. And now I already put the power on, so let's see if it will start. So let's see if this is how many pull before start. So hopefully in a little bit time of pulling the starter rope, it starts. So let's see. So just prime the bulb, just like a pipe pump, and let's see without putting some chalk if it starts. So I put it up, so give it a shot, cross our finger, hopefully start. Put the antenna up, let's see. You can see this one is not HPI racing, just the regular Baja that you can buy. This one is the Roban Ropus, but it's very decent. After a while that I never start, in about 1.5 pull, it start right up. You see how excellent it's this one. I put some upgrade this one from the past. I just use then you believe that this one is all these stockings. I stitch it. So you can see the hole. It's the exhaust is already dry, but sucking some dirt there, but that one is a good. They stop the dust that get in, and I just buy this one from the past. Instead of a plastic cup, I put the aluminum one, cover for the dust for air cleaner, and I put some ramp rope too to grab it both sides so that I can carry easily. And is some upgrade too. I bought it in Amazon, I believe. It's not cost you a lot, and I put some 2 clamp there that I bought it in a hardware. And this one is just a high temperature that I bought it in hardware, like a regular host. And everything on this one is stock. and all the sticker is still intact. There's some sticker that it peel off, but when you pour it a little bit pressure there, it's stay in where they at. So the tire is still 95%. It's very clean. You can see it's like there's no mark of running, but I run this one sometimes in a while, but it's not in the dirt. I just run it in a pavement to keep it clean. There's a little dust there in a wing, but everything is fine. And that's the basic that I tell you. There's a lot of my viewers that teasing me. They said it's my servos like turtle is, so it's not turning the steering very quick, but I can deal with it. I don't want to spend another money to buy things, but it's the same thing you can use for steering, and everything there, it's still nice, clean. Even the bottom part of this one, see, it still look good. This one is like a stain, but it's not a scratch. So everything underneath, under chassis, still look brand new. So the shock, it's pump okay, front and rear, they have a good shot. And this one is only rear drive, there's no reverse, so it's all forward. And this one is the battery compartment. You see the light is still on, so I never kill it yet. And this one is the little antenna there. And the shell of this one is the body. Everything still intact. Is in my attic with the box. So the shell is still have film on it. It still look brand new. I feel like this skeleton. That's why I keep it like that. Those stickers, I get it in my different RC name, you know, those stickers. I think the only original to that one is this logo, and this outwear filters is from the seller of name of this one. So from the factory, just give this one more for me for free. And the clip is still there, so I never remove it. So in case I need to put the body on, so the clip's there, so I don't need to put it away. And then if I need it, I'm not gonna see that no more, because it's sometimes it's a very small piece, so you cannot see it. So it's better to keep there. Everything here, it's plastic. The only metal is this rod, and the body too, it's a thick body. And the linkage, it's metal too. Clutch is metal, solid. And I bang the front sometimes. That's why I have some, I remember that I have a little bit scratches here. I don't know if it is right or left, but I know they have one, or this maybe in the rear. Let's see. I don't know where is that, but I remember from the past when I last ran this one, there's a little ding here, but I think it's gone. I'm not gonna see. It's a miracle that I'm not gonna see no more. So is there the name of the tire? It's Dirt Buster 170 by 80. That's the outside, and the brand there Ropun, but this one is Roban. is exactly copy of the original HPI. So I think that be it. So I'm happy to run in a almost single pool. I love it. So this one is only revisited. So thanks for watching, and I have a lot of do some shorts on this one, so just watch for it, a bunch, so from the past, and at least I know I'm just gonna keep this one for the next another 5 years. So this one I bought it October, I remember 2021. So in October 2025 is already almost 4 years, but it's still in good shape. I keep it that way. So maybe if I don't need it anymore, you can message me, you can buy it. I just gonna put it in sale, but for now I just gonna keep it because I love this buggy. This is the last one I have. I have a bunch of RC from before that, but I sold it. So one day I'm tired of it, so I disposed it. This is the only I keep. Most of the one I do now in a hobby, most of is electric aeroplanes and sometimes helicopter too. And then bye bye and see you next time. Just revisited. Peace. I'm out. Thanks.